Oh yeah, we're pulling up the classics today. Oh wait, do I have my audio working good? Oh yeah. Player one. Oh, there's like a delay or something. I love this game, man. I've been playing this ever since it was in the... They had the arcade cabinet in the grocery store. I didn't go there to buy candy or groceries, though. I only went there to play Black Tiger. Uh-oh. Not today, Satan. Oh wait, there's Satan. Let's take him out. Ow! Wish they did like a remake of this. Not a remaster, but like a remake. Don't make it 3D, you gotta keep it 2D. Stupid bat. Oh, he got me. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, this game goes way back to my childhood. I used to collect bottles, man. We cash in the empties, and then we go and blow all of our quarters on this game. And then I'd play this game because it was like 1 quarter. Oops. I suck at it now. Damn, now I can't go into the dungeon. 1 quarter would last me like the whole game, so that's how much bottles I used to cash in. It was a daily thing. All right, let's upgrade and get that one, that one. Buy a couple of those. It's been a long time. It's been years, man. I did play it a little bit recently, but I've been all into the Zelda Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom phase. You like Zelda Breath of the Wild? Yeah, me too, man. I'm running out of time. Tears of the Kingdom. I'm being corrected. I'm gonna run out of time. Uh-oh. Please give me some time. There we go, thank you. A few seconds. This one's got a pumping track too, like stage 4 is the best. Like classical music. I'd like to learn how to play that on guitar. Maybe I'll transcribe some. We can beat this guy in 1 minute. Oh, we got tons of time. I don't care, I'm not moving. Get my armor back. Oh, my tea, I forgot all about my tea. Slightly modified version of the last song. Stage 4 is where the music gets really good. This song ain't too bad, it's nice and catchy. We got lots of time now. Uh-oh. Trouble in paradise. 50 coins for all that trouble. I remember. It's like locked in, man. Muscle memory. There's some bats here. Brain memory. Yeah, some things you can't forget. You do it so much as a child, it's just locked into your brain for the rest of your eternal life. We need the keys. There's something here too, a barrel or something. Here's some advice. Barrel of armor. Whoa! It's jaggy there for a couple seconds. Let's grab the axe of pain. Never want to run out of keys. That's just devastating to the heart. You got a treasure chest and you can't open it because you don't got a key. Oh, these guys, these are mummies. Mummies. They get so aggressive in the next... My hair! They get really aggressive, stage 7. Some people might find this game stressful. I play this to relax. I just feel so chilled out, man. Oh, I was gonna try to jump across. Oh, that was a brand new technique right there. I haven't tried that in my 5,500 years of black tigering. Get away! 100 coins. Oh yeah! What the heck? Oh. I'm playing on, look at this. I got the PS3 original hardware. Oh, it's so good. I don't know if I like it more than the PS4. In some way they do. Oh, you stupid bat. They poison you, right? That's why you gotta buy those dumb drinks. Not dumb drinks, but drinks for being dumb. I've played it 1,000 times. I should be able to play this without even getting hit once. How many times I played it? What? Stay over there. Not you, I'm talking to the game. Stay over there. Wait. Flashbacks. Extra lives. Now we can spare some lives. Whoa, jank. There's trouble in paradise there. Why is it so choppy? I can't tell if that's the... I got a, what do you call those cards? Video capture card from Temu. Yeah, I like Temu too. You get like cheap shirts for like $5. Oh, I wish it would stop being so janky though. Oh! I'm distracted by the jank.